Hi friends, hope you're alright and doing really well in your life. So today we are going to talk about one of the most famous programming languages, that is Python. So before starting, please push that white button below and subscribe to the channel because we are starting today the Python course in which we will have different tasks for you so that you can learn easily and quickly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's look at what is Python programming language. Python is actually an object-oriented, high-level general-purpose programming language. Object-oriented means this language is based around objects such as data rather than functions. And high-level means it's easy for humans to understand and you don't need to worry about the memory just like in C++, and you can do a lot of different tasks in Python. Python is one of the world's fastest growing and most popular programming languages amongst the following: data analysts, computer scientists, engineers, software engineers, mathematicians, and accountants. Python is been embraced and used by some of the huge companies like Google, YouTube, NASA, Facebook, IBM, Spotify, Dropbox, Pinterest, Quora, and much more. So now you can understand why Python is so popular. Python is consistently rated as one of the world's most popular programming languages. According to Popularity of Programming Languages Index, Python is rated top in the year 2022, and TOB Computer Programming Index also revealed Python to be on the first place in the year 2022. And in Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2021, Python claimed 4th place. Here you can see a comparison between Python, R and MATLAB according to PYPL, Popularity of Programming Languages. Here one may think why Python is so unique and popular. The reason number one is Python is the most simplest and easy to learn programming language because it have a very easy syntax. For example, if you want to extract the first 4 letters of the word civil tech designs, you will use the following syntax for this particular task: str.substring 04 in ch, str.sub str0 to 4 in JavaScript, and str0 to 4 in Python. So here you can clearly see that the syntax of Python is only str as compared to the other two, which means Python has very short and simple syntax to remember. So the simplicity of Python means Python is the ideal language when rapid development is required.
Reason 2 is versatility. Because it's a general purpose language, you can use Python to do and create many different things. For example, a data scientist might use Python to generate visualizations or manipulate data, and a web developer might use Python to create a website. So here are some of the Python features for which Python may be used.
Data analysis, mobile apps, artificial intelligence AI or ML, desktop apps, automation, software testing and quality assurance, web apps, hacking, and much more. So here I have added the salary of Python developers in some of the countries for the motivation purpose for you. So the annual salary of Python developers in USA is $1,16,981. Annual salary of Python developers in Pakistan is $3,200. And the annual salary of Python developers in India is $5,212 American dollars. Now here let's look at some of the Python features. Huge community. So Python has a huge community, which means you can contact different person all around the world. If you're stuck in something, there are always people who can help you out in your task. Python has a large ecosystem of library, frameworks and tools. So whenever you are doing some sort of project or task, there is most likely chances of people around you who have already done it. As mentioned earlier, if you're stuck in something, there are always people who can help you around. So here are some of the other Python features. It is a high-level programming language, simple to use, interpreted, object-oriented, accessible language, large standard library, GUI programming, and it's an open source so you can download it easily. There are basically two versions of Python. The one is Python 2, which was also known as Python Legacy, and it was available until the year 2022. The other version of Python is Python 3, which is also known as Python Future and is being used since 2020 onwards. So in this course we will learn Python 3. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.